Hello everyone, welcome to AGB tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make a CHAKRI game like this in scratch. So here you can see the CHAKRI spinning and it is shooting out stars and some lightning rods and some arrows. If I click on it again, it changes the pattern. It covers the whole screen with its arrows, stars and the lightning rod. If I click it again, you can see that the arrows come out and again go back in and the others go out. If I click on it once again, more less parts come out and it's still coming out and going back in. If I click on it once again, no part is coming out and the timer of 20 seconds or should I say endless. Now this timer, when it hits 20, it will stop the code. So all of the code is done by me and I want you to make your own CHAKRI and play with it. You can add even more patterns. If you want to know the coding part, make sure to watch till the end. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay notified whenever I send a new video. Now let's start the coding part. So first I have 4 sprites. I have a CHAKRI which I made myself. Here we have 2 sprites. The cat, the original CHAKRI which will spin and the burnt one. So I just took off the default scratch cat head and put some circles just like that. And in the burnt one, I did the same but made every color little dark. Next, in the fire costume, I simply went to the sprite library. Here, I go to the fantasy option, scroll down and I click on this magic wand. Here, I delete the wand and the lightning there. And then I choose this one. Just turn the 90 degrees by clicking on shift. And then put it in the center. Next, I have this sprite which is like a spike. What I basically do is I make a rectangle and I go to reshape. And I click one of the edges here and delete them. Next, I click on this edge, remove them upwards like that, and then I make mines. So you can just make them much more thicker. Next, I have this star. So here I said you must go to the sprite library and search your star. And then I just click on the star and I just remove the outline. Now let's start coding. So the CHAKRI, let's go to the events. When the sprite is clicked, next go to looks, switch costume to cat A1, which is the normal one right there. Next to go back to motion, go to X0, Y0. Next, get a forever loop, go to motion and then turn 15 degrees towards the right. Oh, and also go back to the events, get a broadcast option. I've already wrote here start. Now, if we click on here, you can see that our CHAKRI is now spinning. Next, get another, go to sensing, get a reset timer. So we need this so that every time we click, it resets the time. And then go back to events, get a loudness, change that to if the timer is greater than 20 seconds, then it should automatically turn to its burned costume. So I also have a sound here called boom. You can get that from the sprite library. I just cut it a bit. That's the sound. If you want to make it faster, I think I'll go with this. Next, I go to looks. I get the burnt costume, which is cat A2. Next, I go back to sounds. I get the start sound boom. Next, I go back to controls. Get a wait 0.4 seconds as we want time so that the boom sound can be progressed. And finally, get a stop all. Now if we try it resets the timer when we click it, and we will just have to wait for 20 seconds. Almost there, 16, and I don't think 0.4 is enough time. So let's increase it 0.7. I think this will work. And we have the boom sound. Now let's start coding the other three sprites. So it's very easy. First, when green flag is clicked, go to looks, get an hide. Next, again, get a when I receive start, go to motion, get a go to CHAKRI, which is our, well, this CHAKRI right here. Next, go to controls, get a forever loop, get a create a clone of myself, and it will just generate it one. And also, it'll also make a turn 15 degrees towards the right. Next, go back to the controls, get a when I start as a clone, go to looks, and get a show. Next, go back to the controls, get a repeat until, go to sensing, touching edge. Right there. So now I've got the movement like it will just pop out. Next, just get a move 10 steps. Actually, I just increase that to 15 steps. And then let's just add a small effect, like a change color effect by 25. And finally, it should delete this clone. Now, if you press on it, you can see now it's generating these lightning rods, if you can call it. So now we must do the same for the other two sprites. Now I can again just go get a when green flag is clicked, go to looks and hide. But I have a small trick here. Back to the fire and I just drag this code to here. And once this shakes, that means the code is inside it. Just do that for the others. Now you can see that the code has been sent to the other sprite. And I'll do the same for the star. Drag this one. And remember, it should shake, then only you must leave it. And the when green flag is clicked. Just check it. Yes. Now, if we click on full screen and try it, you can see now we have the combination of everything. The stars, the rods, and everything that we had. Now, I'll tell you a small secret. If I just click on the scratch catalyst one more time, it literally just changes its pattern automatically. We don't need to put any extra code for this. It just happens just like that. And if I click on it once again, it again changes it. Now it's like a wheel. It comes out and then goes back in while it's shooting out. And if you press again, the amount it is shooting out is very low. And it's again doing the wheel pattern but with less patterns. And finally, you can see now it has turned very less. The wheel is there, but all of the spikes and the design are going out less. Now if I click it again, you can just play with it. And now you can see that nothing is coming out, but it is just going around like a wheel. So that's basically it. Yes, it took us so less time. But just to end the video, I'll just add a small sound which I have here. So this is a ground CHAKRI sound. So this is very loud. I just decrease the volume. So for that, it is very simple. So to add the sound, Just get a when I receive start because in the CHAKRI we are broadcasting start. Next to go back and then go to controls, get a forever loop. Go to sound, you get a play sound ground CHAKRI. Now if we click on it, you can see we have the sound of all of the stars, the fire and the arrows popping out. That's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay notified whenever I send a new video. And wish you all a happy and safe Diwali. Thank you.